Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the best Delonghi 15 Bar Espresso machine. Model ECP3630, a standout choice for anyone looking to bring authentic coffeehouse quality right into their kitchen. This espresso and cappuccino machine offers professional-grade performance with a sleek, compact design that fits perfectly on your countertop without taking up too much space. The Delonghi ECP3630 features a powerful 15-bar pump pressure system, ensuring that every cup you brew has that rich, full-bodied flavor you expect from a high-quality espresso. Whether you prefer a single shot, double shot, cappuccino, or latte, this machine adapts easily to your taste with adjustable controls, giving you the freedom to customize your perfect cup. One of the highlights of this model is the integrated premium adjustable frother. This frother allows you to create the classic Italian cappuccino foam with a drier texture, or switch to the hot milk setting for smooth, creamy lattes. The advanced cappuccino system mixes and steams milk to the ideal consistency, bringing that professional barista touch to your home. Versatility is key with the 3-in-1 filter holder that accommodates single and double espresso shots, as well as easy-serve espresso pods. So, whether you're using ground coffee or pods, this machine has you covered. It also features a double-layered drip tray and a removable water tank for easy cleaning and refilling. For those who enjoy larger beverages, the Delonghi ECP3630 comes with an adjustable bottom tray that can be removed to accommodate taller cups, making it convenient for your favorite mugs or travel tumblers. The stainless steel housing not only adds a stylish and modern look to your kitchen but also ensures durability and long-lasting use. Operating this machine is straightforward with user-friendly buttons that give you full control over your espresso making process. Despite being a manual espresso machine, the ECP3630 delivers fully automatic brewing convenience combined with the ability to fine-tune your coffee just the way you like it. In terms of specifications, it weighs just under 10 pounds and measures a compact 9.6 inches deep, 7.2 inches wide, and about 11.9 inches high. It runs on standard 120 volts and uses 1000 watts of power, making it energy efficient and practical for everyday use. Whether you're a coffee novice or a seasoned espresso lover, the Delonghi ECP3630 offers a perfect blend of performance, flexibility, and style. It's an ideal fit for small kitchens, dorm rooms, or anyone who values a high-quality espresso without the complexity or bulk of a commercial machine. Thank you for watching Product Critique. If you're looking to elevate your home coffee experience, the Delonghi 15 Bar Pump Espresso and Cappuccino machine is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and product insights. Until next time, enjoy your perfect cup of coffee.